Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. Welcome to another 2023 Project Orchids video. This is Orchid number 4, video number 4, and it's Paphiopedilum Black Jack. Now I will mention that the playlist will now have, once this is posted, will have 4 videos in it, this being the latest one. Video number 2 is the repot. Video number 3, the last one, is like a progress report, and then video number 4 as it is 2 months later on. Now this is progress. I must admit I have had Paphiopedilums in the past and I haven't had one grow this well or this quickly. I'm pleased. If you look here, this is the actual growth that was in bloom when I bought it. The darker leaves are the older part of the plant. Some damage on some of those leaves, but that was prior to me getting it. And then we come around this side of the plant and this is all the new growth. Now this growth here I didn't expect to bloom because it looked like an older one, but we've got a bud that will be open relatively soon. And then down in front of it is the new growth. This is the one that started since I had it, and it's pushing on, you know, quite nicely. But next to it is another older growth, and that's got a bud in it as well. So we've got 2 buds on the go at the same time, and I think, given that it lasts quite a long time, they may well both be out at the same time. Now that'll be a novelty for me, 2 growths actually in bloom at the same time. So it's progressing well. I'm very pleased. It seems to be happy, and last time we looked at it we had the start of some reasonable roots coming on. Prepare to be impressed. That's a hell of a root system. I've never had a Paphiopedilum with a root system anywhere near as good as that. It's still growing, it's still pushing on and coming out the bottom of the pot. So we have ample roots to support that plant, and I intend to maintain those roots by making sure this media never gets a chance to go stale. It has got sphagnum moss mixed in with it, as you'll see if you want to go back and watch the repot video too. You'll see the mix I used. So basically progress on this one I would suggest is very good. A bud about to open, a second bud starting, and a third new growth pushing on down the front of the plant. So yeah, there's effectively 3 growths on the go at the same time on this plant. So I'm well pleased with that. Obviously when the bloom opens, I doubt if it will still be there in 2 months' time when we do the next update, but you'll see it as part of either the everything in bloom on the 8th or just because it's a new bloom opened. I usually film them. So there we go, Paphiopedilum Black Jack, one of my best ever growing Paphiopedilum of all time, and in addition to that, this is a good plant. I'm well pleased with this. This was a spur of the moment purchase at Burnham's when I went there, and I don't like coming away with nothing. I like to support the nursery, and this just caught my eye and I thought, I'll blow it, let's give a Paphiopedilum a try. I haven't tried one for a long time and I hadn't tried one in this environment. Well pleased with the results. I would think we will get some more when the opportunity arises. See you next time.